Tarantula SEO Spider is a powerful SEO spider, SEO crawler that is AI enabled. It's the industry first to do so. With this tool, you can audit any website to find issues with it, SEO issues, or you could also find opportunities to rank higher. You can audit your own websites to find issues like a 301 redirect or non-indexable URLs, or you can audit competitors' websites to find out what they're doing right, how are they ranking, and what are they trying to rank for. Tarantula SEO Spider is quite a powerful software. It's got the sidebar where you can see all the sections like the internal links, the external links that are pointing outside. You can see the kind of security that the site has. While the crawl is going on, it's all live. For example, this one is a 404, so you can easily find issues like this. You can see the response code that the files are getting. You can see all the URLs that are part of this website. And you can see titles, you can see the length of the titles, the information like what would be the width, is it indexable or not. All of that information is here that you can use. You can use the title length to see if a title is too long or too short. On the right sidebar, you will see a summary of the crawls. It's got multiple sections like overviews, issues, site structure, and response time. So you can click on issues and it will show you all the issues in the website. And this little icon will tell you how exactly how urgent the issue is. So all of that information is here and you can use this to identify exactly the pages that have the issue and try to solve them. Then you can also see the meta description for all the pages that are set. You can see the meta description length, width, all of this information that you can decide whether you want to increase the meta description. For example, here you might want to add a little bit. You can also find the meta keywords. These are the keywords that a page is telling Google that they're targeting. But we also have AI keywords, and this is an absolutely new thing. This technology reveals the real keywords targeted by this page using AI. So for example, you have this page and you don't know what keywords this page is targeting because there is not even a meta description over here. You can just go to AI keyword, select it, then checkbox it and click on Get AI Keywords. And you can see here it has keywords like SEO marketing, niche targeting, niche target reaper. These are the keywords that it's targeting. And you can similarly find the keywords for multiple pages. For example, let's also take this one and let's add this one too and click on Get AI Keywords. Tarantula SEO Spider will find the keywords of all these pages. And this way you can discover the keywords that your competitor is targeting very, very easily. This is something that we have only in Tarantula Spider. No competing product has this. Then we also have rewrite with AI. Let's say you go to a competitor's website and then you are crawling it and you see an article that you would like to have on your blog. Well, you don't have to hire a writer or even use AI because we have something inbuilt. Just click on the article that you want to get and then click on rewrite. Just in a matter of seconds, you will have a complete article ready for you. You can just copy it and upload it to your blog. Tarantula SEO Spider is actually a very comprehensive, very powerful SEO audit software. It can be used by agencies, and if you want to do it for your own website or own blog, you can use it for that too. It's got headings, contents, you can review images, you can see the canonical pages, you can see pagination if it's available, directives, if there are any specific meta robots or directives, that will be available too. It can analyze JavaScript, it can even analyze AMP if you've implemented it, and it can connect to APIs using API integration to get you speed analysis from Google, and you can even bring in your Google Analytics data. If there are any issues with the crawl or any problem, you will see it in the issues section. On the right side, like I told you, it's a summary of the crawl. You can click on any item to go directly to it to see the issues there or to see the crawl details over there. It's available right at a single click. You have issues, you have site structure where you can see kind of like a folder structure of the site and you can reach any page you want. You can even see the pages by response time. So this is a summary of response time. For example, 494 URLs were crawled over here. Most of them responded in less than a second. So you can see all of the data, which gives you a good estimate of how high performance your site is. And then, of course, the data from API will appear here if you have connected your API in the API integration section. On the bottom bar, you have this helpful panel where you can select a URL and find more information about it. Things like URL, the status code, is it indexable, the heading, and everything else. On the right side of the bottom bar, there is a visual representation of the crawl, and depending on the section that you're in, it will change and show you relevant data. Data like, are there any duplicates? For example, now that we are in the content section, and is the readability difficult? All of that information will be available to you in your crawl to help you make your website better for Google rankings. Tarantula is designed to be used by new as well as very established users and SEO professionals. If you click on shortcuts over here, you can see quick shortcuts that you can use to quickly go to any section in the software. In settings, you have power. In settings, you have further control over how exactly the crawl is gonna run. All the data is exportable to CSV. You can just click on export and take the data anywhere you want. Overall, Tarantula SEO Spider is a great tool whether you're trying to audit websites for yourself or your clients, or you're even trying to analyze competition and find out what is working for them and implement it on your sites.